InstaTilt is for mounting on flat roofs with rolled comp or built-up roofing. To start, mark the layout and mount locations with the desired spacings for the array. Install the InstaFlash mounts by pre-drilling a pilot hole with a 7/32 inch drill bit, then fasten the lag screws 2.5 inches into the rafter. Attach the lower leg bracket to the lower row. To install the upper legs, cut a piece of Pegasus rail to the desired length. Connect the upper leg bracket. Torque both to 250 inch-pounds. Attach it to the InstaFlash. Next, you install the Pegasus rail onto the lower and upper tilt legs. Level the array without removing the rails by simply loosening the bolt to adjust the height of the mount. Once the rail is attached, you can proceed with the wire management and setting the panels as normal. And that's how the InstaTilt helps you have a better day on the job.